Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi Colorado, Clete Crocker here from Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. Coming to you with another great Black Friday deal that we have going on right now. This is so new, the stores don't even have their signs up on it, but you come in and you show them this video and they will give you this deal. This is the Whirlpool WFW 7590 FW. We bought a lot of these. We bought a closeout deal on these, and we probably have, 150 sets left or so. And this one here is, the washer by itself is $899 or $999. It's kind of a high dollar unit. Well, for Black Friday, we've done something crazy. If you buy this and you buy it at $799, we're gonna give you this along with a free dryer. Now the dryer is a Samsung, but it's a really, really nice Samsung. So I advise you to come in, ask them for buy the washer at $799, get the dryer for free, and they'll get you hooked up. We have these in stock right now, coming sooner than later while supplies last.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.